This is Free Talk Business 2, Lesson 7 Review, How to Speak Confidently. Have you ever read Talk Like Ted, Mr. Johnson? Yes, it's great for learning how to present ideas with novelty and impact. The book says the brain loves novelty. It pays more attention to new or surprising information. If your presentation just repeats what people already know, the audience won't consume it deeply. I'm trying to improve how I connect with people when I speak. You have to tell stories with real characters that people care about. Right. The book says passion can unleash your energy and make the message stick. Yes, but delivering a strong talk can be exhausting, especially if you're not used to it. I've been practicing shorter talks in front of colleagues to get more comfortable. Great strategy. Keep it fresh, emotional, and personal, just like a TED Talk. Okay, good job.